Welcome everyone. Today is September 26, 2019, the place to where we give you all the news according to the charts and expectations of where we're expecting these cryptocurrencies to go before it actually gets there. We're going to give you all this update on Binance paired against the dollar. It's been about almost a month since we did our video for Binance, so definitely is due for an update. So glad that you guys are here to see this update for Binance of what we're expecting this cryptocurrency to do prior to its next big move. If this is your first time coming to our channel, you do appreciate the type of videos that we are doing. See how simple it is to generate these price forecasts. Definitely hit that subscribe button. And on top of that, like and share these videos because we definitely want to make sure that other people get the opportunity to see our expectations and our forecasts for these altcoins in the cryptocurrency space. And as always, at the end of this video, we're going to give you our forecasts for the cryptocurrency. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So now let's talk about this real quick. The last time we did our video for Binance was on August 31st, 2019. Okay, go back and check out our playlist. All of our cryptocurrencies, we do have a playlist for, so everyone can see and keep track of all of our forecast movement for the cryptocurrencies that we do cover. And you all can see right here was the last time we did our video for Binance. And the expectation, as you can see, was continuation of downward movement. And as you can tell, it definitely has played out that way. We even had our resistance area right here in the market to where we expected Binance to find some resistance. And that came in on the 5th and the 6th of September to where the market in Binance could not break above $24 or maybe a little bit lower than that. So you can definitely tell that we are in profit. If we were to get out this position today, you would be able to see we'll be in profit 29.86% right now if we were to exit the position for Binance. Or if you've gotten out at the very bottom of our expectations, you have been still up 16.68%. So either way it go, very, very profitable to see that play out that way. So let's talk about the future in Binance. Currently, it's not a surprise that the market in Binance is weak. And I say that because following this ascending line in this space in Binance, right? This is where the market in Binance has to hold that support. And we're touching it right now as I speak. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this line because it is not active and it's not playing a role in our forecast. So let's get rid of it. So now the market in Binance has done a fantastic move to the upside the whole month of 2019, and now we're coming right back down. This is going to be the culmination point that you need to be focused on in the market for Binance. Right here around $15 to around $16. Now you can also tell that this area is resistance now. Okay, this is not a positive thing to see in the market in Binance. In order for us to really see overall strength, we need to trade above $16. So as you can see right now, we are definitely at a crucial point on the price chart in Binance that everyone needs to stay focused on. I'm going to switch it over to the weekly time frame real quick. And as you can tell, that massive spread that is coming into the market right now in Binance is severely negative. Okay, the long-term movement in Binance is still reflecting to us that the breakage of this ascending line right here is still expected to happen. The only thing is that the market is holding $14. That's it. After that, the next logical area is going to be 12. So seeing that the market in Binance is breaking this support and now acting resistance line, I'm going to continue to expect this market to continue to move lower in price. Now, it's not that much. $14 can still be a logical area of support, but then the next area is going to be 12 for sure. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to switch it back over to the daily time frame, and the expectation into the market in Binance is for it to continue to move to the downside. And we're just going to look for $12, right around $12 in the market in Binance to try to come and find some support. All right. Now, I would TP the market if I see it hitting that ascending line once again, especially if I do see some strength come into the market. So pay attention to that. If we see any strength bars come around this ascending line, then definitely that tells you that we're going to hold that overall trend in the market in Binance to continuation of movement higher. Okay. But as of this moment, we're going to expect that continuation of movement to the downside to happen in Binance. And we got $12 as the ultimate area of support. Right now, this area right here is going to be resistance. See if I can bring it down a little bit further. For Binance. All right. So this is our expectation. This is our forecast for Binance. This is a crucial area that you need to be paying attention to, but the current trend hasn't changed. We're still seeing indications of weakness. We will TP the market around $13, maybe even $13.50 all the way up to $14, only under the presumption we see strength come in, especially on this ascending line. Okay. But again, switching it over to the weekly time frame, that definitely tells me that we got more movement to the downside to contend with. And we're going to try to hold it around $12 for the ultimate area of support. Okay. There you are. Simple to see, simple to understand. Make sure you all maintain profitability. And as always, I will see you all on the next one.